Here's how to give a collaborator full access on Shopify. In your Shopify admin dashboard, click Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Users. From there, click Roles to view and manage the permissions assigned to users in your store. Click Add Role and give the role a clear name, such as Full Access. You can also add a description to help identify the role later, especially if you plan to create multiple custom roles for different team members. Next, enable all available permissions for the role. This allows anyone assigned to the role to access and manage every area of your Shopify store. Before saving, review the permissions carefully to confirm that full access has been granted. Once the role is created, return to the Users section. Find the user or collaborator you want to update and open their profile. Edit their assigned role and select the full access role you just created, then save your changes. One important thing to keep in mind: users with full access can modify products, orders, payments, settings, apps, and other critical parts of your store. Only assign this role to people you trust and review access periodically to ensure former team members no longer have permissions they don't need. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.